Hello, Jake Hizzett here, CEO of Stop AI. Today I'm going to show you a quick look into a system that we have built for one of our customers, Mr. Greg Rosner, CEO of Pitch Kitchen in New York. What you're seeing in front of you here is an AI SDR toolkit. The lead will come in from either Instantly or Mailchimp, and once it's come into the database, we will immediately qualify it. Once it's qualified, it's going to run a sequence. In fact, it's going to run this sequence here, which we have built on make.com, which is the Pitch Kitchen research tool. So this will actually carry out an analysis on this website. It will carry out analysis on the lead's LinkedIn profile, and it will also research the background of that company and the industry that that company is situated in. Why? Because after we've done all that research, we're going to write a very extensive email after performing a SWOT analysis. So we want to know all the strengths, all the weaknesses, the opportunities for people that we're going to write an email to. What's great about this system is in the Airtable, we have all of the prompts that we're using to do those kind of analysis. So for example, here we have the company website analysis agent. You can adapt the agent in the system prompt and the user prompt from the Airtable, which is tied up with the system and user prompt in the website analysis. So you can see here, this is the company website agent. We can look at what model that's using. We're using O1 in here because it's the best model and has the most amount of tokens to be able to process all of the HTML data that we're grabbing from a server request. So in here, you can see the system prompt, and we can also see the user prompt, which is tied up in the Airtable here, which gives our clients like Greg a lot of flexibility and agency on how they can customize their AI agent to perform the task exactly how they want. So I'm just going to jump back into the lead table to show you the kind of output from this kind of system and the type of email that it will write. So this one, I believe, is me. I don't want to drag anybody else's data into this video. So if we just click on here, we will be able to see the website analysis. So it's gone to my website. It can actually read the headline, so it knows what my clarity of messaging is. It knows the visual design and structure of my website. It looks for trust signals and social proof. And then it will also suggest improvements on what I could actually improve. It then goes to my LinkedIn profile. It reads over my LinkedIn profile. It understands my professional snapshot, trajectory, personal branding, language style, and signals. We can actually use this language style later on as well in the AI agent for the email agent to make it so that when it talks, it really talks with my style and tone to me. So we can customize the emails to that kind of fine-tuned detail. The company research analysis, and it will use all of this analysis before carrying out SWOT analysis to write a hyper-personalized email to me from Greg to sell Greg's SDR focused sprint. So, okay, we've got, hi Jake, we're looking into Stop AI's AI automation offerings, and we've noticed a few patterns that crop up in our SWOT deep dives, like missed website engagement opportunities, inconsistent outreach, and messaging that might be more company focused than problem focused. It's completely normal at your growth stage, but it can slow lead conversions if not addressed. So it's fantastic, right? It's reaching out to me. It understands the website problems that I have, or the positioning problems that I have, based upon reading my company's website, and then it reaches out to me to tell me, we understand your pain. It would be great if you could buy Greg's 90-day sprint solution. So this is just a quick glimpse into a custom-built AI automation system that we've actually designed for our client. I'm just going to quickly flash in here and show you what this brief kind of looks like. So when we write a brief at Stop AI, we have the objective. We detail out the workflow so that we really understand how to create exactly the system that our clients are looking for, such as a SWOT analysis, branding and positioning, and then we're going to drip 3 emails. And we're actually going to do this via Gmail, as the initial outreach that Greg is doing is happening on Instantly. So when it's a positive response comes in on Instantly, it immediately will be qualified, added to this machine, and then we'll write a more personalized follow-up with really understanding that person through their LinkedIn profile, website, and research of the industry and the company to make sure that we can get the closure. Right now, Greg's responses to his emails are about 15%. So it really shows you the power of having a strong process and an AI automated workflow. If you'd be interested in designing a workflow and having it fully automated, just reach out to us. Our process is very simple, and we'll show you exactly how we'll build that by the hour and the type of technologies that we'll use to do that. Thank you.